Hello everyone, in this session we will see the cutting and stamping operations in sheet metal. Okay, first of all I will draw geometry on this plate. Okay, now we'll cut out up to last. Sketch is selected here. Okay, this has get cut. Next is hole. Click here, you can give the dimensions, depth. Okay, see, next one is, for this we have to draw wall on edge. Okay, circular cutout. For this I have to select a point at a filleted area. Okay, here, from here you can change the diameter. Okay, this is how the circular cutout done. Next operation is fillet. You can give the radius here. Okay, another one is a chamfer. Length can be adjusted here and angle is here. Okay, see, our next operations are stamping operation. For this we have to draw a sketch. Okay, this one is surface stamp. Angle is 90°, height 4 mm, radius is 2 mm. You can change these values. Okay, here our sketches get selected. See, this is how our surface stamp is created. Next one is bead. For this we have to draw a sketch. Okay, see, the section radius is 3 mm, end radius 3, height is 3 mm, radius R is 2 mm. Here you can see the abbreviations. Our sketch is selected here. Okay, this is how the bead is applied. Next one is curve stamp. You can see this is R1, R2, this is height, this is angle, this one is length, there is give the values. Okay. Next one is plans to cut out. For this I want to draw a sketch. It is for the name and then 90 radius to this is our plans to cut out. Bridge. For this we have to click a point. From here you can adjust the values. See, this is the bridge. Next one is a rib. From here you can adjust length. The rib. Next one is dollar. Diameter 4 mm. See, you can adjust the diameter also. Okay, this is how we can done the stamping and cutout operation in sheet metal. Okay, thank you.